Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel Scholarship World. This is your host Ajay Fredi. Welcome to this new scholarship discussion. This discussion will be today about Stockholm University, one of the very best, very great university in Sweden and top class university in the world. You can see its page is here. So it has announced its scholarships for international students. So the students from bachelor degrees, master degree and PhD degrees, they are welcome to apply. So in this video, we will discuss different benefits of this scholarship and how you can apply for it. So the university name is Stockholm University in Sweden. Scholarships 25-26. So a very great university and very famous and very top class university in around the world. So the top class students, they have very good chance, and the other students, they should also try. Maybe they get a chance to get into it so that they make their future very great. So this is a bright star. If you get admission in the Stockholm, then your life will be a new one. It was established as a college in 1878. Stockholm University gained the status of university in 1968. The public research university located in Stockholm, Sweden. There are approximately, you can see, 33,000 students enrolled in this university. It has four faculties: law, humanities, social science, and natural sciences. So students from these areas, they can apply if they have the subjects related to these four faculties. It's one of the largest university in Scandinavia, so it's a very good chance if you get admission, and you can try to get this scholarship. This is a fee scholarship because this is Scandinavia. Most of the scholarships are fee scholarships. It will be very great if you can get some fully funded scholarship, but this is a full fee scholarship. If you can try, the full scholarship, full tuition fee may be off, can be off, and sometimes 50% off. So sometimes 30% off. But the most, if you have good grades, then you can get the 100% fee off. So the country name is Sweden. So degree level is bachelor, master, and PhD. So the benefits we are going to discuss here. So what are the benefits? So full Stockholm University scholarship benefits. Full portion of tuition fee waiver will be provided to admitted students. So full fee can be of, or a portion of that can be of. Students with an excellent academic history will be given preference while calculating the merit. So your academic grades should be good. So accommodation charges, they will be also provided. Merit based academic scholarships are provided. Students can get benefits from different communities and cultural exchange. Research opportunities are also available for research students. So a very top class environment in Scandinavia, very good chance to get settled in Scandinavia. So types of Stockholm University scholarship, there are four types of these scholarships by this university. So we will discuss one by one. So first is Stockholm University Scholarship, Stockholm University Scholarship Scheme. Second is Swedish Institute Scholarships. Third is scholarships in arbitration law, and scholarships offered by the organization. So there are four types we will discuss in this video. First, we discuss about the eligibility requirements. So to eligible for this scholarship, you must be international student. So student outside of the EU, EEA, Switzerland, they are eligible, and applicants who is paying tuition fees for studies is eligible for this scholarship. So fee paying students, applicant must be enrolled for the master program, masters, bachelor and PhD, they are eligible. Okay, the applicants will be selected on their academic merits, and students with Stockholm University as their first choice will be given preference. So when you apply to study in Sweden, put Stockholm University as your first choice, then you will be given preferences. Types of scholarship, as we discussed before, four types are there: Swedish Institute Scholarship, scholarships in arbitration law. So there are two types of scholarships in this one, and then scholarships offered by the different organizations. So now you can go through the details of these all types of scholarships. So what are the document required to apply for this university scholarship, Stockholm University scholarship? So these are the documents you will need: academic transcripts, certificates, see your CV, an application form completed in all respects, statement of purpose, SOP, study plan, or research proposal for PhD students, English language proficiency certificate, you needed that one, two recommendations of letters, and offer letter, admission letter. You must be accepted by this university if you are going to apply for this scholarship. A valid passport. So application deadline is 15th of August. See, this is the application link. So you should follow these steps to apply for this scholarship, for this admission process first, and then scholarship. First you evaluate your eligibility requirements from the official website of the university, and then you see the website of the scholarship, and then create an account using the application portal and login by making your ID and password. Then prepare required documents, upload your all documents, and at the end you submit your application. So this is the application link here. This is the application link is given here. You can copy into your browser and you can go through all these things and you can apply for it. So this is the page of university. You can see it's a very top ranked university around the world, Stockholm University. It's in Sweden. So it's not the thing that you should not try if it is top class. Always try to get the admission, and later on there are always chances to win the scholarship. So I hope you can try to apply in this university. So best of luck all of you. I hope that it was good information for you. If you think that this video is useful for you, then please like this video and kindly subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.